In this video, we will show you how to install the Frunk in your BYD Atto 3. The installation will take less than a minute. First, we remove these two original clips located in the middle section of the vehicle. Keep these clips because we will use them again after placing the Frunk. Now place the Frunk carefully into position. Once the Frunk is correctly positioned, reinstall the same two original clips to secure it in place. After reinstalling the two original clips, use the 4 clips supplied with the Frunk. If all 4 holes are open, insert supplied clips as shown and tighten them gently. Do not over-tighten. There should be 2 mounting holes on the metal bracket on each side. However, due to production variations, some BYD Atto 3 vehicles may have closed mounting holes on one or both sides. If the holes are closed, use the special installation kit we developed specifically for these vehicle versions. It allows installation without drilling, cutting, or making permanent changes that could affect the vehicle warranty. Please check your vehicle before ordering. If the mounting holes are closed, order the installation kit together with the Frunk. A separate installation video for this kit is available on our YouTube channel. That's it. Installation takes less than 1 minute.